So the automation kit will come as a single package. This machine will take up to 4 AF1 units and it will allow you to automate your filling process from the gating, the filling and the conveying of your product off the conveyor. Whole post lifts and will lift the entire nozzle. It comes with the drip tray. The nozzles already have an integrated blocking mechanism, so they will not drip. The drip tray is a little additional help. So the neck clamp system will hold the neck of your bottle right before the nozzle goes in. So that will make sure they're centered and will avoid unwanted spills during the filling process. This is the HMI. Everything you would need in 80% of the time while you operate this machine to minimize the need to go in all menus. Here's the automation kit. Thank you.